This is my new Cybertruck fridge, and today I'm going to show you how to install it and how it works. I hope you like it. Okay, so according to the instructions, this should be a very simple process. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove the carpet here, the all-weather mat, get it out of the way, and the instructions say that I have to remove this thing here and loosen up this cover that's under the glove box and this area so that I can remove this. So let's start by pulling on this thing here. Apparently it's just a matter of pulling it out. Yep. That came out pretty easy. I have a wire here that I run for my rear view mirror slash monitor. So I don't think I have to remove this whole thing. Just enough to be able to yank this out. So now I'm gonna try that. So let's see. Yep, so I just pulled it, and let's see if we can remove this easily. All right, so that took about a minute. Let's put this over here. And now, apparently, we are ready to put the fridge back in here. All right, so let me go get the fridge now and slide it over. The first thing that we need to do is put this, which is the actual connection to the electricity, back here. It fits exactly in the shape, so there's really not much to do there. You just slide it in. So now this part here is the one that goes on the back outlets. So we're gonna get that out of the way. Now we're gonna bring the fridge here and slide it in place. That's probably gonna be the most challenging part of this whole thing. So let me go grab it and see how it slides in. We're finally back, and this seems to be very, very tight fit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just plug this in where it goes. Let's see if I can find the hole without looking. Here we go. Now I'm gonna slide the fridge in. Look at that. Now we want to make sure that this cable is tucked in behind the fridge. Wow, that went in like a glove. Now we have to figure out how to put this thing here. So it go like this. Can put this cable here. Got it. That's it. As good as it's gonna get. Now I have to hide this thing. Actually, I can leave this here because now I'm gonna put the all-weather mat. It's like nothing happened. I'm not gonna use this. So let's plug it in. This goes in the back. So this is how we're gonna do it. So I use these outlets for more than one thing. I'm just gonna add the fridge as an additional item. Then we can go start the outlets. And we have power. The fridge is running. And we have a new fridge. All right, that was pretty easy, straightforward. It took me about 10 minutes to do it. And it was just a matter of removing the frame on the one side, sliding the fridge in, connecting it on the back, and now we have a fully functional fridge here. You can see that we have controls on this side as well as on the other side. So it doesn't matter if it's the passenger or the driver that wants to increase or decrease the temperature in the fridge. It can be easily done. So you just touch the buttons up and down. And the way that this design works is very clever because it can open and conforms to the shape of the dashboard on the Cybertruck. It also has a couple of attachments inside. This helps organize some of the stuff that goes inside the fridge, as well as this other guy here that you can put like cheese slices or anything that fits in that little cubby. And that's pretty much it. Very simple. I think it took me about 10 minutes to do. So I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.